We've learned that music is written on a stave, 5 lines. Some notes on a line, some notes between 2 lines in a space. Now, a stave by itself means nothing. 5 lines, here's 5 lines. Here's 5 more lines. How do we know which 5 lines we're dealing with? That's where the clef comes in. At the beginning of the stave is a picture of a clef which tells us where the 5 lines are based. Now these 5 lines are labelled by an alto clef. The stave with an alto clef is not used by piano players at all. With a piano, we're dealing with a right hand and a left hand, and so we're going to deal with these 5 lines, marked by a treble clef, and these 5 lines, marked by a bass clef. And the best way of learning to read music is to physically learn where these 5 lines live. Thumbs together on a B, the B above middle C. These are the lines that make up the treble clef. Thumbs together on a D, the D below middle C. These are the 5 lines that make up the bass clef. Now I want you to practice jumping between the two. Bass clef, treble clef. Why is this useful? Well, when you see a note, you want to be able to play it straight away. If I see the top line in the treble clef, I know it's there. Yes, it's called F, but that's not really that useful. We need to go straight from the picture to the keyboard. And the way to do that is to learn these clefs inside out. Every time you pass the keyboard, there's a treble clef, there's a bass clef. There's the highest note on the treble clef, there's the lowest note on the bass clef. That's the highest note on the bass clef. You get the idea. By learning over and over again these 5 lines and these 5 lines, you'll find reading music will be in a cinch. OK, so let's see if you can do this bread jump.